Yeah. Aims in quicker after level.
Search and destroy.
Yeah, it's both. Wait, can you have nades on? We're not using. Alright, good.
Eliminate the objectives. Bomb acquired.
God, I wish there was. Use that M8. Fucking dumb. Third person. He won't stop moving. I think he has shot on him. He's just randomly shooting. Yeah, I'm jumping on. Oh, there he goes. He's coming.
Charges dropped. Stand down. It's a draw.
A party, you moron. Good game, chat. Sorry.
Hey, you wanna just replay the map? We didn't know it was both.
No.
Alright, thanks, dude. We didn't know it's both only, we just accepted it, man. That's alright. We know the rules for both, so it's all good.